Hello, good morning, welcome back dears. How are you? So today we are solving our part 4, okay? And we will solve the question answer of lesson number 4, Dream Children a Reverie. And it is written by Charles Lamb, okay? So today I bring for you part 4 from chapter 4, Dream Children a Reverie, okay? And we are going to solve the question answer. We are going to solve the question answer in about 60 words. We are solving 60 words question answer, okay? So let's start. Question number 1, write a character sketch of Lamb's grandmother, okay? We have to tell about the Charles Lamb's grandmother. So we know very well, okay? Her name was Field, who lived in a great house of Norfolk, okay? She was highly religious and pious lady, okay? She was not the mistress of that house, but she was caretaker, okay? But she lived with dignity, okay? She was highly religious lady, okay? She was humble, gentle, intelligent lady, okay? And she was liked by everyone, okay? Everyone liked her, okay? She was very popular among both societies, both section of societies, okay? Among rich and among poor, okay? She was very popular, and she was an esteemed dancer in her youth, okay? And she was very helpful to everyone. She helped to every section of the society. That's why when she dies, so thousands of people came in her funeral, okay? They came from many far off places to show their respect and regard towards her, okay? So she was that kind of lady. She was tall, upright, and humble lady, okay? She loved her grandchildren too much, okay? She wants that children should be join her house while vacation or holidays. So she would like to call all the children in their holidays or vacation, okay? So she loved all the children, okay? She liked all the children living with her during their vacation, okay? So she has a pleasant personality, okay? She has a pleasing personality, and she is particular, okay? She is particular and prompt to do her duties, okay? And she loves children, she loves their grandchildren, okay? And she was a good dancer in her youth, and she was respected by everyone, okay? She was respected by both section of the society, rich and poor. So when she dies, she was suffering from cancer, okay? And the cancer, the deadly disease cancer put her in pain, okay? So but she was a religious and pious lady. Still she was upright and intellectual lady, okay? So when she died, so thousands of people or many people came to join her funeral, okay? And they came from very far for showing their respect to her, okay? So it was about Mrs. Field, okay? Question number 1 asks about character sketch of Lamb's grandmother. So we have talked about the character sketch of Lamb's grandmother, okay? So question number 2, what sort of person was John Lamb? How did Lamb admire him? Okay, in first part of the question is asking about the John Lamb, okay? John Lamb, okay? And John Lamb, how do you know about John Lamb, okay? And how did Lamb admire him? So the second Lamb is Charles Lamb, okay? How did Lamb admire him? How did our writer admire his brother John Lamb, okay? So the grandchildren's grandmother loved equally all, okay? But she had special attention for John L, means John Lamb. Okay, and John Lamb was a bit older than our writer Charles Lamb. Okay, John Lamb is a bit older than Charles Lamb, than our writer. Okay, so he was a handsome and youthful boy. Okay, he always took care for the garden. Okay, he always took care for the great house of Norfolk. Okay, and he always carry Charles Lamb on his back. Okay, because our writer Charles Lamb was lame. Okay, and he could not walk. Okay, so that's why John Lamb carry Charles Lamb on his back always, and he was a youthful, energetic, handsome, charming boy. Okay, so he has also a pleasing personality. He was extremely handsome. Okay, and all the children loved him, liked him very much, and he always carried the writer on his back. Okay, and he always took care for garden and house and the great house of Norfolk. That's why he was loved by everyone. So that's why his grandmother Mrs. Field always put some extra attention to him. Okay, she had a special attention for him. Okay, because he was a youthful, charming, dashing boy. Okay, and his personality was also superior or fascinating. Okay, so it was about the John Lamb. Okay, and then John Lamb himself become lamb. Okay, he himself become lamb. Then he was in great pain. He had severe pain. Okay, so his death, okay, his suffering, his death haunted the writer Charles Lamb for a long time, and Charles Lamb always missed his brother. Okay, he always missed his careness, okay, kindness and closeness. So Charles Lamb always missed about his a bit older brother John Lamb. Okay, who himself become lame and who had lots of pain in that situation. Okay, so his death haunted the writer for a long time. Okay, so he always missed his brother, and he always missed his brother's careness, closeness, sweetness. Okay, and he wished for him to be alive. Okay, our writer Charles Lamb wished for him to be alive and be fight and be quarrel with him again. So he thought like that. Okay, so it was about question number 2. We will talk about 3rd. What are the similarities between Alice the mother and Alice the daughter? Okay, so Charles Lamb had severe pain from starting. Okay, because he had lost his mother Mrs. Field, he had lost his family, he had lost his children. Means he would like to create family. Okay, he wanted to unite a family, but it could not possible for him because he was lame, he could not walk. Okay, so since starting he was in pain. Okay, he lost his grandmother, then he lost his brother John Lamb. Okay, and then he lost that girl to whom he would like to get married, and the lady refused and rejected his proposal to get married with him. Okay, so that's why he was in pain. So what does he do? Okay, he needed a family, he would like to create a family, but it could not possible for him, he could not succeed in that. Okay, so that's why he created an imaginary world. So that's why he made an imaginary world, and in that world, in his dream, he imagined two children, John and Alice. John, a boy; Alice, a girl. Okay, so like other children, the children John and Alice would like to listen about their family, would like to listen about their ancestor, okay, would like to listen about their mother. So while he was talking about the mother, he informed John and Alice that I propose your mother, but your mother couldn't accept my proposal, and she rejected, she refused to get married with me. Okay. So then the children shocked and amazed and asked, so who we are? Because if you didn't get married with our mother, so who we are? What is our existence? So then he replied that you are my imaginary children. But question is asking to us, we have to, when they were talking, so Charles Lamb saw some similarities between his daughter and between his daughter, in fact imaginary, okay, and between his wife, in fact imaginary. So we have to tell about the similarity between Alice, Charles Lamb imaginary daughter, okay, and Alice WN, Charles Lamb imaginary wife. So what was that similarity? So that similarity was her eyes, okay, her eyes and bright hair were similar, okay. Her eyes means Alice WN is an imaginary wife of Charles Lamb, okay. So then he informs that your hair, okay, your bright hair and your eyes are similar to your mother Alice WN. Okay, so that is the correct answer, that her eyes and bright hair were similar. Okay, her eyes and bright hair are similar. So these two qualities were similar in case of Alice, in fact imaginary daughter, and Alice WN, imaginary wife of Charles Lamb. Okay. Question number 4. Describe the cremation of grandmother Field. Cremation means funeral. So she was upright and beautiful lady. Okay, she was a religious and pious lady. She liked by everyone. She was not mistress of the house. She was like caretaker, but she lived with dignity. Okay, she had her own confidence or pleasure, okay, and she was taking care for the great house of Norfolk, okay. She lived in that house, and if we talk about her character, so she was very religious, upright, tall, beautiful, pious lady, okay. She helped everyone, so that's why she get respected by everyone would like to respect her, okay, because she helped all the section of the society, okay. So later she suffered from a deadly disease, cancer, okay. So that deadly disease put her in pain, okay. She had severe kind of pain, okay, but still she was upright, religious and pious lady, okay, and she loved her all grandchildren, okay, and she would like to have all the grandchildren while their holidays or vacation, okay. So it was about her, and when she died, okay, so thousands of people came, okay, in her funeral. The people from very far off places also joined her funeral for showing their respect and regard towards her, okay, and they would like to give her respect. That's why they join from very far off places, okay, and they loved and liked her too much because she helped both section of the society. She helped everyone in the society, poor one or rich one, both, okay. So everyone was helped by her in the society. It may be rich or poor. So in her funeral, okay, so when it was time about the funeral, so everyone joined, okay, and everyone assembled and together with the funeral, okay, and they follow her funeral, okay. So it was the cremation of grandmother Field. Question number 5. Describe how lamb used to move about in the garden of the great house. So if we talk about Charles Lamb, okay, describe how lamb used to move about in the garden of the great house. So our writer Charles Lamb always sit lonely, okay. He always like loneliness, okay. In the garden of the Norfolk, he always keep quiet, okay, and he always like loneliness, and he was a peculiar child, okay. He was a peculiar child. He sit alone in the garden. He did not want to any interfere from any child, okay. He doesn't allow any child to interfere in his life, okay. So that's why he sits lonely, okay. So while he was trying to pick up some flowers from the garden, so then he met a solitary man, okay. He met a solitary man, and that solitary man refused to him for picking or pricking up fruits and flower from the garden, okay. So he was a peculiar child. He loved loneliness, okay. He never liked company. He never liked anyone's company, okay. And he sits alone in the garden. He liked loneliness always. While he was in the great house of Norfolk, so he just went in any corner and he sits lonely, okay, and he doesn't want any interfere from any child, okay. So when once he met a solitary man in the garden, so that solitary man refused him to prick or pick any flower or fruit, anything from the garden, okay. So we have talked about Charles Lamb in question number 5, okay. In question number 4, we have seen about the cremation of grandmother, okay. So the grandmother was really a lady with dignity, okay. She had dignity. So now question number 6, how did grandmother Field love the best among the Lamb brother and why, okay. So we heard that she was religious, upright, tall, pious lady. She was not the mistress of the Norfolk house, but she was caretaker, but she lived it with dignity, okay. She loved and liked everyone. She had suffered from cancer, but still she was helpful lady. She was noble lady. She was humble, great, intelligent, intellectual lady, okay. And she loved her grandchildren a lot, okay. She liked to have grandchildren in their holidays, in their vacation, okay, around her. So she would like to join the great Norfolk house by the children while their holidays or vacation. So she loved the children a lot, okay. She also likes that children should join my house while their vacation, and they should enjoy in my house. They should enjoy at the villa, okay. So she loved equally everyone, but she had special attention towards John Lamb, okay. And John Lamb was a bit older than our writer Charles Lamb, okay. And John Lamb always took care for the garden. He took care for the great house of Norfolk, okay. He always cared for all the children, okay. He was loved by every children from the house. He has pleasant personality. He was youthful and handsome and extremely charming boy, okay. Children loved him. He was very helpful. He always carried the writer on his back. because our writer Charles Lamb was lame and he could not possible to walk. So that's why he carry the writer, okay, in the house. Then he carry the writer outside also, in the park, in the house, at the upstairs, okay. Then he himself become lame. Okay, and he was in great pain. So his death haunted the writer for long time, okay. And the writer always thought about him. The writer always missed him, okay. And a writer wished him to be alive and to be quarrel with him again, okay. Writer missed his brother John Lamb's closeness, careness, love, okay, and many things that he had shown, okay. So it was about question number 6. We are solving question number 7. Why does Lamb say that though grandmother field was not the honor of the house, okay, his grandmother was not the honor of the house, but she was respected by everyone because she was caretaker, but she helped everyone. And the main thing is that she was highly religious lady, she was noble lady, and the main thing is that she was graceful, okay, she was kind hearted, and she has pleasing personality, okay. She was very particular and prompt for following her duties, okay. She was pleasing personality lady, she was particular and prompt in her duties, okay. And she always loved the children. She was fond of love the children, she fond of having the children around her, okay. And she was a great dancer in her youth, okay. So, and she helped everyone in the society, either poor or rich, okay. So that's why everyone would like to show their respect for her. So when she died, so lots of or thousands of people came to join her funeral, okay, and they follow her funeral, and they would like to show their respect and their regard towards her, because she was liked and respected by everyone in the society, as she was very helpful lady, okay. So it was all about the question answer. So I will send the answers in PDF or homework images. You should copy in your fair copy. So learn all the things properly. Thank you.